Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play Skylanders on PC with your Portal. We'll dive right into the easy method, ensuring you can bring your beloved Skylanders figures to life on a larger screen. This guide will walk you through every simple step, from connecting your Portal to launching your game, making the process straightforward and fun for everyone. Get ready to revisit Skylands. To begin your adventure, you'll need a few key items. First, grab your Skylanders Portal, ideally one that connects via a standard USB cable. Of course, have your collection of Skylanders figures ready. Next, you'll need an emulator. For example, Dolphin works well for Wii versions, and RPCS3 handles PlayStation 3 games. Finally, secure the game file itself, often referred to as a ROM or ISO, for the specific Skylanders title you wish to play. Setting up your system is quite simple. First, plug your Skylanders Portal into any open USB port on your computer. Your operating system should recognize it automatically. Next, launch your emulator and head into its configuration settings, usually under Controllers or Devices. Here, you'll need to tell the emulator to detect and use your connected Portal. This step ensures the game can communicate with your figures, bringing them into the virtual world. With everything set up, it's time to play. Load your Skylanders game file directly into the emulator. Once the game starts, simply place your Skylanders figures onto the Portal and watch them appear instantly on your screen. You can then use your favorite game controller or even your keyboard to control your Skylanders and explore the vast, imaginative worlds. Enjoy countless hours of fun, battling villains and collecting treasures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.